In this short video, we'll show you how to update the firmware on your ii900 series industrial acoustic imager. To check if you have the most up-to-date firmware version, go to Settings on your ii900, select Imager Info, and in the OS field, you will find your current firmware version. Next, go to fluke.com/ii900 firmware. On this page, you will always find the most recent version. If your existing firmware is not the most recent one, click to download the SWF file. Once the file has downloaded, connect your USB cable, first to your imager, and then to your PC, and then switch on your imager. You will see the ii900 appear in your Windows File Explorer. Select the ii900 and drag and drop the new firmware to your root folder called User Data. A pop-up will appear on your ii900. Confirm that you would like to start the upgrade process. The new firmware will now be transferred to your imager. Next, confirm that you would like to restart your imager. Once restarted, your imager is ready to use and has the latest firmware on board.